In this guide, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can archive an Instagram story before it does expire. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The first thing that you're going to want to do if you want to archive a story here on Instagram before it does expire is obviously begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon. From here, you're going to see whatever story that you currently have. Now, if you want a different way to view it, you can also tap on your profile page itself and then tap on the icon, but both take you to the exact same place. Now, in the bottom right corner, you're going to see this option for more. Go ahead and select it, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do is actually select the archive button from the menu that does appear. What this is going to do is immediately archive your story. So in my case, I'm going to hit archive right now. And then if you want to go ahead and view it, you can see it in your story archives. But yeah, it really is as quick and easy as that. There's no need to wait the full 24 hours if you don't want to. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.